Today, I'll show you how to make a beautiful balloon garland using the Party Hero Kit from House of Party. Everything you need is in the kit: balloons, cake toppers, banner, and more. First, inflate all your balloons to their specified sizes, making sure each one is round, not pear-shaped. Next, take your 12-inch balloons and tie them into pairs. Then, twist 3 pairs together to form a cluster of 6 balloons. Repeat this for each color. Now, do the same with the 10-inch balloons, tie them in pairs, and combine 2 pairs to create a cluster of 4. Inflate your 18-inch balloons, making sure they stay round. To build your garland, insert the knot of each balloon cluster through the larger holes in the garland tape, sliding it into the smaller hole to lock it. Alternate between 10-inch, 12-inch, and 18-inch clusters for a full layered look. Apply self-adhesive hooks where you want to hang your garland. For the 5-inch balloons, tie them into sets of 3. Then use an uninflated 260 balloon to connect 2 trios together. You'll need 3 sets of these. Wrap these connected trios around the larger clusters using the 260 balloon to add depth and fullness. And that's it, a stunning custom balloon garland ready for your next celebration.